We are checking out the Sam's Club Black Friday weekend deals here with this Samsung Neo LED. This is an 85-inch TV, and this is on sale for the weekend. $200 off down to $22.97. Now I'll put a View Products button on the lower left for you so you can click on the button and check out some of the products that we are showing you here today. And you can order them right from Samsung and other retailers. Now they've also got an 85-inch if you don't want to spend that kind of money on the Neo. This one's $200 off down to $898. So this is a significantly lower priced model. And then also you can get a 75-inch version of a QLED also. And this one is $300 off down to $1598. And then TCL's getting into the game too with their own version of a QLED TV. This is a 75-inch. And this is one of the lowest price QLED TVs I've seen. Because look at this, for $250 off down to $599. And they just had so many TVs on sale here. I'm not even going to show all of them to you, but they just had so many on sale that they had all the boxes brought out and just sitting on the floor clogging the aisles right in front of it. And when they run out, that's it. And I wanted to point out to you folks that remember that this sale is expiring after Black Friday weekend is over with. So you have until the 27th. Just like at Costco, all of these ads are expiring on the 27th for the TVs. Many of the soundbars are on sale. This Bose soundbar here, the Solo, is $40 off down to $159. And then here's the ERA 100. That's the 2-pack bundle right there. And these are $90 off down to $379. Then, of course, you have the Sonos Beam bundle, and that one is $100 off down to $399. And then let's not forget here, the big bad boy. This is the Samsung soundbar, $100 off also down to $199. And Vizio is getting into the game as well with the discounts. So make sure you come and check out all of these. Now this one is $100 off down to $199. So this is the weekend to do it. Remember, these all expire on the 27th. Well, some of these say the 22nd also, but we'll have to see if they're still up. So what I like here about this Grinch inflatable, this is $169.98. But I like the fact that it's got the furry felt kind of feel right on here. It's very nice. And let's not forget, it also includes mats. Indoor-outdoor use. Now usually Sam's Club and Costco have the best snowmen. And I like how it's got the realistic fur on here. And I like how the fur looks just like snow on there. And I like the scarf. But they don't have the price on it. Now I like these two here. You have your choice. These are the 36-inch ornament decors. So what they did was they just took a bunch of ornaments and run them in there. And they made this giant ornament out of it. So choose your flavor on these. They're $120. I'm not too sure about this nativity scene. It just looks really kind of not inspiring. I've seen much better. And you have the 6-foot pre-lit nutcrackers here. You got black ones, you got white ones. These are very classy looking, and every year they always have the best ones. Both Sam's Club and Costco. Years ago, I used to have an arch set that I bought from Costco that was incredible. It took me forever to drive it home at 20 miles an hour because it was so big it really fit in the back of the SUV. Now here you got this 7-foot flocked aspen pine tree. This is $189. And I like these. These are the smaller color-changing LEDs. Or if you want the regular 9-foot grand spruce, this one has 800 lights on it. And this is $349.98. And of course it's the quick and easy assembly, 4 pieces. And they of course have many wreaths and garlands. I'm not going to waste your time with every one of them. And in the home security section here we have the Arlo. This is the 4-camera pack with the solar panel bundle. And these are $100 off down to $349. For those of you looking for headphones, you got the Bose Quiet Comfort SE headphones. And they're taking a whopping $120 off of this deal. And check out this tiny little speaker. This is the Bose SoundLink Flex SE. It's a Bluetooth speaker. And $30 off on this one, down to $99. And also as part of the Sam's Club Black Friday month deals, you got here the Asus VivoBook 15.6. This is a full HD laptop. And this one here comes in with $100 off at $899. And it has the Core i9 in it, which is nice. And look at that, a terabyte of storage. And here on the inexpensive desktop computers, you have the HP 32Envy. And here's your tower. And they've taken $200 off down to $899. Sam's Club also has many Samsung refrigerators and appliances on sale as part of Black Friday. And if you click on the More Products button here, it should take you into the Samsung store directly, where you can take a look at all of the deals that Samsung is running across the board, from all of their high-tech, their home audio, personal electronics, and all of the rest of the appliances. For those of you starting again your New Year's resolution on becoming fit this coming January 1st, how about the Fitbit? So they have the Versa 4 watch is being discounted right now as part of Black Friday deals, down to $139. This should be your motivation to move, people. On my Costco videos, I've been getting a lot of people asking me lately, what about the electric scooters and the e-bikes and all of that? Well, here you got the electric scooter from Segway. This goes 19 miles an hour, $529.98. And you also have the Segway C15 BLK e-scooter. This is the smaller one. And that's $30 off, down to $229. And how about this one, man? This is the electric dirt bike from Jetson. This is a 36-volt bike with LED lights. And here with $50 off is the Shark Rocket Pro corded vacuum as part of the Sam's Club Black Friday deals. See, and I just showed you these at Costco on my video last week, where these were down to $2.99 there. And the kit that you get at Costco is actually a 6-quart kit. Over here in the tools section at Sam's Club, we have here the Keter folding table, and this is at $89.98. The similar table from DeWalt that's on sale over at Home Depot is the same thing, $89.98 on sale from $119 over there at Home Depot. I'll put a link to that DeWalt table down below for you, and you can also see it on the button over here on the left. Now this is new. We haven't seen this in here before at Sam's Club. And just in time for Black Friday gift buying, you have this rolling utility seat from Cat. What I like about this, you have a detachable sitting creeper. So this part right here comes off and it wheels around. I like that. You can lay on it and creep along. So this rolling utility seat is $69.98. Now the Shell Rotella oil here, this is the T5 synthetic blend, 15W40. These here are $6.50 off, down to $56.48. Man, oil has really gone up over the last few years. Oh yeah, and baby, now you're speaking my language, because we have here the Chemical Guys. This is their complete detail kit. It's an 11-item kit that's got everything you need to wash and shine your car. And look at that. Clearance price, man. So this is not a Black Friday deal. It's just a plain old clearance. So look at this. You get almost $15 off, down to $35.14. This right here would be $50 or more in any other store right now. And then look, it comes with their awesome SnowFlow auto wash right there. So if you have one of those soap cannons, you can use that to make real good thick soap foam on your car. Love it. Here's one you'll like. This is the Holiday Party 3-piece suit. So you can get different patterns here right on this. And these have flashing LED lights on them. These are $29.98. There's several different designs to choose from. Down the small appliance section here, we have the Keurig K Supreme single serve coffee. So this comes with 24 cups. And this is down $40 to $99.98. Okay, so then you got the Emerald Lagasse here. This is the French door air fryer. I just saw this advertised on TV the other day on one of those infomercials. So this is $40 off, down to $140. And how about the Panasonic inverter technology? This is their 2.2 cubic foot microwave made out of stainless steel. And this is down $30 to $149.98. And I'm sorry they didn't have any floor samples out on these. They're just here and in the box. Uh-oh, here comes my favorite stalker. He's been pretty accurate so far. He's never hit anybody that I know of. He's not hit me before. And down the home remodeling aisle here at Sam's Club, the Black Friday deals continue on the flooring. Now, I'm looking at some of this here, and this is the premium hybrid resilient flooring. And this is 100% waterproof. You gotta always check, because some of them say waterproof, and some, like this one over here, says waterproof for 24 hours. So you gotta make sure you know exactly what you're getting. So here's the Select Surfaces Wilmington. And I like this. It's a little bit of a busy-ish, kind of a darker pattern, but nice. These are made in Germany and have a 25-year warranty. So they've taken $5 off here. So yeah, we've bought laminate here before. I helped a friend do his bedroom, and I'm thinking of redoing one of our other bedrooms. And by the way, this one here is an incredible steel, but it's only waterproof for 24 hours. But this has a 14 millimeter thickness, and you'll find that most of the laminates are like 10 to 12. But look at this price. So you have a limited time only on this, $26.98. You can see how thick these are. See that right there? And the dude's trying to stalk me again. Look, he avoided the cart, he avoided me. He's pretty good. And the good thing about Sam's Club is they always have good prices too on all of the trim pieces. So this rustic gray molding kit here is $4 off, down to $16. And these also have the attached foam backer on them. I'm not a fan of them because usually they're not as good quality as the real thick sound suppression one that I buy. These have good pricing compared to Floor and Decor. And you have darker ones, and you have these other lighter ones here. So this is the Select Surfaces Prescott. What I like about these are wide planks. These look like 6 or 7 inches wide. So you have to do less courses across your room, and it makes your room look bigger too. Now this is not on sale, but I thought I'd show it to you anyway. This is the Little Giant Smart Step. This is a 300-pound rated ladder, but the maximum reach on this is only 10 feet. But yet if you look in the video description below or on the View Products button over here on the lower left, I'll show you some ladders that are over at Home Depot right now that are equivalent to this. They give you a bigger reach. I can show you the Gorilla ladder that's over at Home Depot right now. That's only $99 compared to that, and it gives you an 18-foot reach. And it looks like Sam's Club has a new lower price now on this patio heater. So this used to be $149 and it's down to $129. And Sam's Club always has the best swing sets in clubhouses. So if you're in the market for one, now's the time to get it. Because look at this deal. They've taken a whopping $400 off of this. You could never get a deal like this in any of those professional swing set stores ever. These will take 2 people about 16 hours to put it together. I put one together just like this one many years ago, and it took me 32 hours total. Now this is the first time I've seen fresh cut trees at our Sam's Club here, but look at this, $53.98 for 6 foot to 7 foot Fraser trees. And I'm assuming this is one of them here. And don't forget to pick up your Thanksgiving centerpieces as well. Here, these are $15.98, limited time only. These are nice, fresh, and they have a 7-day freshness guarantee. Now these are the centerpieces here. Those were the bouquets over there. These centerpieces are $34.98. You can always tell when it's Thanksgiving time here at Sam's Club. And if you're looking for toys to get your Black Friday and Christmas gift shopping going, make sure you check Sam's here first before you check the other stores, because a lot of times you'll find much bigger kits and you'll find the prices are a lot better on the toys here as well. Because in these days of high inflation, we really got to look at saving money a lot better. We got to be a lot smarter with our money. And you know you got to buy Christmas gifts, so you might as well buy them smart. And they've got a lot of these motorized vehicles here for the little kiddies. Bumper cars. In fact, this Jeep is $50 off as part of the Black Friday special. So here's part of my Sam's Club haul today. We got the lamb chops, and man, you can't beat this price at all, folks. And of course, you got to get the green bananas. The more green they have in them, the less sugar. So the more yellow they turn, the sweeter they're going to be, and the more sugar there's going to be in them. And check this out, folks. I just picked up this massive art kit right here to give away for our giving tree through our church. As I showed you from Costco last week, I was searching around for an art kit like this. They didn't have one at Costco, so I came here to get this one.